Hi there. Which skills have the ability to assist you rake in upwards of 100,000 Kenya shillings monthly in Kenya? I'm going to talk about 10 skills which can assist you level up when it comes to your income. Please note, I'm not talking about education qualifications. We have out there people who have gone to school but they're struggling to make an income. In the same way, we have people even who didn't even step in a college or high school who are earning even upwards of 1 million Kenya shillings. It's because of these cross-cutting skills which I'm going to talk about. 10 skills which can assist you level up your income and even earn upwards of 100k Kenya shillings monthly in Kenya. In case you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. I am a finance expert and qualified accountant, bringing you amazing videos each and every day on investing and also how to grow your money. In case these are topics which you like and you want to get more of my videos, kindly consider subscribing. Down below there, there's a button called subscribe. Click that button and subscribe to my channel. And while you still at it, drop a like on this video. Thank you for subscribing and also liking this video. Having said that, let's jump right in. The very first skill is the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Guys, this skill is an underrated skill. And by the way, this is the skill which makes people out there prosper. And I'm saying so because you learning can assist you get your foot on the door. But the dynamics in the business world, the dynamics in human interactions, or even in employment are extremely different. The reality is that you need to keep learning, unlearning, and relearning for you to continue leveling up, okay? Learning never stops. And then the second skill is you being action-oriented. What do I mean? Out here, everybody can talk. In fact, everybody can talk big, but only a small percentage of people out there execute. You'll be shocked as to how out here, only under 10% of people who plan to do things actually do them. You can be among the few who follow through with what they are planning, not just talking. Be action-oriented. If you're action-oriented, you level up at personal capacity and even business opportunities are going to come to you because people are going to know, in case you want something done, contact so-and-so. They're going to get it done. They typically focus on getting things done as opposed to talking big. You want to build reputation as that kind of person, so harness the skill of being action-oriented instead of endless planning and talking big. And then the third tip or skill, which is very important, is the skill of having the ability to practice gratitude. Basically, having the ability to say thank you and to be thankful sincerely. That is a very underrated skill. And of course, someone develops that over time. And we all appreciate we come from different backgrounds. But then again, as an adult, in case you can harness the skill of saying thank you, if someone, for example, lifts your weight, whether even assisting you work, okay, sharing with you a given formula which has made your work easy, or even coming through for you in any given way, be sincerely thankful. And that also goes for business. That is why even a simple thing as the shopkeeper who tells you thank you, by you paying them for their product, you don't know why you go back, but you typically go back there because of gratitude. That person has gratitude, they are thankful for every positive gesture, and you tend to be drawn to them as opposed to even a shopkeeper nearby you, who every time you go and buy something, they are sulking at you and not even warm welcoming you. That is why, in case you want to make money in the business world, to make money even in employment, be grateful. Practice gratitude, and that is going to work for you over time because people are going to be drawn towards you. They're going to give you opportunities because you are grateful for even the little of gestures, okay? And then the fourth skill which you can develop for you to be able to increase your income is you being or having the ability to think analytically. You see, analytical thinking is a unique skill. And unfortunately, the world we live in, data does drive the world we live in. That is why you having the ability to think analytically can assist you maneuver in different scenarios. Out here, many people go through motions without looking at things analytically. If you are able to think analytically, put numbers to things which are happening, analyze numbers objectively, and assist people draw insights on different scenarios, you'll be able to first and foremost enhance your position because you're going to be looking at things analytically and in an objective way. And also, you can assist other people out there be able to think analytically. Case in point, even the small business owners around where you stay, if you can assist them document their profit, document their expenses in a way that it is amazing and making sense to them, you'll be shocked as to how they can even pay you, okay? And then the fifth skill, which can really assist you skyrocket your income, is you networking and putting yourself out there. You could be the most amazing person in 1, 2, 3 different things, but then again, if people out there don't know, you won't make an income. Simple as that. Because at the end of the day, they need to pay you for you to solve their problems. If they don't know you, they're not seeing you, how are they then going to give you those opportunities? That is why you need to network and also put yourself out there. I know at first it might seem difficult, but putting yourself out there is the only way for you to be able to attract opportunities because people can't pay a person they don't know. That is why in case there's business convergences in your city or your town, go for those convergences, okay? In case there's symposiums, which even are free, go for those symposiums and you'll be amazed as to how you putting yourself out there can really assist you be able to be exposed across different forums and attract different clients. So in case there's something you're doing, publish it on social media and also physically put yourself out there, okay? And then the other skill, which is the sixth skill I want to talk about, is the ability for you to do something called vertical integration. What do I mean? Vertical integration is the skill whereby you are integrating or layering additional things you can do to expand your income, whether it is at a periphery of what you are doing right now or even a completely new thing but related. You are integrating vertically as opposed to you pursuing completely unrelated opportunities. And this is very important because vertical integration really assists you take off very fast because chances are you're going to ride on what you know and even ride on the same clientele for you to make money. Case in point, if someone is a videographer out there, yes, they know how to handle the camera to ensure they capture amazing videos. What if they also learn to do editing? What if they also learn the dynamics around social media management to maybe know how to manage social media accounts, to know how to optimize on search engine optimization? All these, yes, they are distinct areas, but they're somewhat integrated. Right from when somebody gets a footage to when a customer out there makes a decision based on that particular footage which they got. Along that particular entire chain, there is different business opportunities. All those are possibility of a person to integrate vertically. So in whichever sector you are out there, think about the vertical integration opportunities which you could probably capitalize on for you to be able to increase your income potential within the area which you know and also within the clientele or customers who you already have rapport with. So pitching won't be difficult. That is a unique skill too. The ability to do vertical integration is not for everyone. If you can learn that, you'll be in very big business. And then the seventh idea or skill which you need to learn is you learning something called system thinking. Think in systems. Don't just think in individual tasks. Case in point, if for example, you are making YouTube videos, okay? Each and every task of you is, for example, doing scripting, right? You recording, maybe doing editing, and then staging that particular video for sharing with the world. Along the way, there's opportunity for system thinking. As opposed to you doing all these tasks, they feel heavy each and every day. You can think about how do you do scripting efficiently, okay? How do you record efficiently? Are you recording in batches or recording individual videos each and every day, okay? Beyond that, how are you even editing? Do you have templates, okay, which make your work easy? Do you have softwares or even do you have presets which are making your work easy? All these are ways of you thinking in a system which allows you to think in a way to see the bigger picture and then utilize even automation to be able to make your work easy as opposed to you waking up and hammering each and every day. Unfortunately, the world doesn't reward you for running extremely hard or sweating. It rewards you for outcome. Basically, are you solving a problem? Are you assisting someone address a challenge they are having? That is what the world rewards you for. It doesn't reward you for working extremely hard. That is why system thinking is an underrated skill, which in case you can develop, you can be able to ensure you have both quality and quantity in whichever pursuit you are pursuing out there. And this skill is going to take some time for you to develop, but if you figure it out very well, learn, you'll be able to do big, amazing things. And then the eighth thing, or the eighth skill, which you need to develop and really harness, is the ability of you learning and embracing technology to scale up. Unfortunately, for whichever undertaking out there you are doing, if you are intending to make passive income, if you are intending to grow, you need mechanism for you to scale up. And even at the base of it, if you want to be competitive, learning technology enablers is a no-brainer. Learn technology enablers within your sector, whether it is how you communicate, how you package yourself, how you are building your competitive advantage. And by you embracing tech, learning tech, you're going to begin staging yourself very well to scale up, because that is a very critical skill when it comes to you being competitive and also you scaling up your business. Digital tools and technology is inevitable. And then the ninth skill which you need to develop is you being contented in yourself and your abilities to the extent that you can hire even people who are smarter than you to partner with you. It is unfortunate how out here some people have amazing ideas, they have potential, but they see skilled people and smart people out there as a threat. They think maybe if they bring them to their business, they'll be able to outshine them. Who cares? You can be outshined while still you are the boss. You are the one who's controlling the finances. You are the one who is controlling the systems. But then again, the smart people are also having their shine while they are assisting you build your business. This is a unique skill which only a number of people do execute. Don't hesitate hiring smart people, because smart people who are going to assist you be able to execute tasks with ease and also teach you new novel way of doing different things for you to also up your skills and be able to do things in a better way. And then the 10th skill is leadership anchored in fairness, support, and also being firm. Not just saying I'm a leader and yet you're not anchoring your leadership in support, being fair, and most importantly, being firm. Basically, a person doesn't play with your business. A person doesn't play with what you are doing. But then again, for the people you are or you've had in your team, you are fair to them and you are supporting them to be able to do their job. That is a very unique skill. And that is why you even typically see out here, CEOs paid very insane amounts of money because of leadership skills, because of that particular experience they have nurtured over time. Leadership is learned. Leadership is not born with. Out here, people learn to become better leaders, to be good leaders. Learn leadership, and over time, hopefully, you become a good leader, because if you are aiming to grow your business, leadership skills gonna be at the center of it. Guys, I think those are 10 amazing skills, which if you develop and nurture, you can be able to really flip your income big time, whether as an individual or even a proprietor of a company. What do you think about these skills? Are there others which can also go a long way to assist an individual flip their income? If they are, comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing. Cheers, guys, and you all stay safe.